Hi up guys, in this video we're going to talk about Facebook account disabled 30 days problem. Yes, this could be a quite problem for you, but don't worry about it. We will bring you to get up and figure out from this problem. Firstly, get up into your browser and type for why is my personal Facebook account disabled. Facebook account disabled. Then go for the first selection and when you get up through this section, simply you're gonna find out all these sections which are descriptions from the supporting team on Facebook. And what you need to do now, you need to scroll down and take a look for what can I do if my account has been disabled. Go for that section which says use this form to request a review. Go and take that review on it. Click firstly and then wait to get up right here. It says the page isn't available, the link you followed may be broken, or the page may have been removed. It's so simple. You need just to add your full name, your email address or mobile phone to add it. Then you need to add what's wrong on your problem, and then you need just to go for submit, and you'll need to wait 24 hours to get a feedback from the supporting team of Facebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.